Hello friends, this question is from test series number 5. Subject name is electromagnetic theory, topic name is EM wave propagation. It's a 2 marks problem. The question says that a uniform plane wave in air partially reflected from a surface of a material whose properties are unknown. So we have a uniform plane wave which is reflecting in a surface to the next material whose properties we don't know. Then question further says that the measurement of the electric field in a region in front of the interface yields a 1.5 meter spacing between maxima. Okay, and the first maxima occurring at 0.75 meter from the interface. A standing wave ratio is measured as 4. So SWR is given to you as 4. Then the intrinsic impedance of the unknown material is what? You need to calculate the intrinsic impedance of the unknown material. Friends, we know that the reflection coefficient mod R is equal to the neta 2 minus neta 1 upon neta 2 plus neta 1. There's one material is air, so in case of air we will have neta 1 as a neta naught, or there's another expression of the reflection coefficient in the case of SWR, which is SWR minus 1 upon SWR plus 1. Okay, because SWR of the air is 1, so just we know the standing wave ratio is measured as 4, so just put the value of the standing wave ratio, which is 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1, so you will get the reflection coefficient value as 3 by 5, right? So the 3 by 5 is the value, and so just use this property and just put the value 3 by 5 here, so you will have neta 2 minus neta 1 upon neta 2 plus neta 1 is equal to 3 by 5. So solve the expression and you will get it as neta 2 by neta 1 is equal to 2 by 8, which is 1 by 4. So you will have neta 2 is equal to neta 1 by 4. Neta 1 is the intrinsic impedance in the air, right? In the air you know that, because the first medium is the air, so in the air you know that neta 1 is nothing but neta naught, which is 120 pi upon 4. So my neta 2 will be nothing but 30 pi, which if you put the value of pi as a 3.14, which will equal to 94.2 ohm. So the intrinsic impedance of the second material is 94.2 ohm. Okay, thank you.